Hi, today I want to talk to you about five major changes that adjustment can bring you most guaranteed success in real estate. What happens if I may ask you that if you are knowing now that there is going to have a change in the market in next 18 to 20 months, knowing the fact that you are running your business as a realtor, what will you do now if you know that there is a going correction in coming days? As we have got a call from many builders, many top producing realtors, many new real estate agents, they ask that what to do. They are realizing that there is a slight change and what to do. There is something which is happening in the market and how to cope up with that. There are five things that can help you and that I can make you familiar with that, so that you can have a guaranteed success in coming years to change the mindset. Let me tell you one thing. Most of the realtors, they actually running their businesses and they are actually are not running the realtorpreneurship. They are just hobbyist. I want to ask you one thing. Are you a hobbyist or a businessman? Are you running your business like a business or not? Most of the people, they actually don't take the analytic decisions. They don't think in an innovative way marketing every day. They don't want to surprise their clients with new things. That is why I'm asking you whether you are a hobbyist or you are actually running your business. Because bringing up 6 sales in a year, 10 sales in a year, 15 real estate flats you are selling, 15 units, that is not just because of your mindset, that is because of the flow of the market. Whether do you have a right mindset for running your business? You have to acknowledge the first formula is they acknowledge and anticipate that. I mean, you have to acknowledge the and anticipate the change, and then you have to adjust. Knowing the fact that we have faced many times recession since 1970 till the date, when last year and this year is going on just because of the COVID. So thinking about, let me ask you again, are you actually a hobbyist or you are a businessman? Second thing is about, are you running your business or looking into CRM? CRM is a way of new life. Let me tell you, many realtors come to us, and we as a coach, I tell them that CRM is a thing wherein you have a designed bucket and organized how many times, how frequently you want to speak to the client. There is a segregated product buckets. And we as a realtor, most of the time what we think is that our phone is our CRM while talking to the client, while talking to the anyone in the market. We can mark email, but we are not actually CRM pro. And if you are not CRM pro, my dear friend, you will be soon out of the business of real estate. Third, are you having a multiple source of lead generation? See, I tell you what, many realtors and real estate business and even builders, they are relying upon their single strategy which they are owning from last so many years. And single hiccup in the market, that hiccups in the market will take you to out of the market. Nobody is actually worried. Market is not worried about are you doing marketing for your organization and your real estate agency. Nobody is bothering. You have to do it for yourself. If you are having a multiple lead generation sources, whether it is a email marketing, whether it is a database management, whether it is a something social media tool, whether it is a traditional marketing, you never know. Sometimes writing a letter or sending a postcard can also be fruitful to you. So having a multiple lead generation sources will take you to the longer number of years, and you will be in the limelight sometime, and you get a leads. When there is no smoke in the market, how will you being recognized? Buyer will find this real estate agent, seller will find the real estate agent, the business will flow. You need to check this, whether you are running your business or you are a hobbyer. Now, fourth one is really important, and that is about, are you any realtor who is a smart realtor? He may ask himself, am I safe with the business and the strategies I am running into, the price band, I mean the product you are selling in the market? Do you check yourself that what is your average ticket size, what is your average size, how soon, like the when you find the change in the market, what product was sold at most in your kitty? Because finding these changes will help you to analyze your business. Fifth one, keeping the cash. I mean keeping the cash or keeping that separate deposit. The big builder, renowned builder in Tri-City and out of Tri-City in NCR, they have asked me, they called me up because they asked me, like they have a running business, more than the worth is more than 500 crores, and they asked me that we are putting something here and something there, and we were having multiple distribution channel, we are having many lead generation sources, still we are not matching with the competition. What is the reason? I asked them to keep the deposit separate or keep that cash separate. What does it mean? I said, if in case, what happens when it was COVID? Were you doing marketing? Were you doing social media promotions? Were you doing new tactics or making strategies to reach to the client? She said, no, we have stopped that. So stopping is you are out of the business. Most of the realtor all over world, or big companies and big consulting firms, big real estate builders, they put in their funds when mob stops. I mean, you have to be on the limelight, you have to be in the market, you have to make this more fast or most top tactics and strategies to reach to the market when or most of the people have stopped. So you right now, I may ask you these 5 things which can make guarantee to knowing what you are knowing about your business now down the line 18 months or 24 months. You have to be in the market. If you know that you want to be in the market, this mindset will take you to the further. Otherwise you become the hobbyist, not running your business as a business. Thank you. This is Ankush K. Sood, father of 2 smart kids, always being inspired by my better half to live my life more contented and peaceful while achieving my dreams and goals. Co-founder of A to Z Marketing Trends, real estate agency since the year 2014. Worked for multinational companies like ICICI, IDBI Federal for 14 years and turned web real estate strategist and a coach. Thank you.